Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for anyone who wants to stay powered up, even during the toughest storms or outages. It's the Reliance Control Corporation WKPBN30 Portable Generator Through-the-Wall Power Transfer Kit. Let me tell you, this kit is a lifesaver. Picture this: stormy weather, power lines down, but you're sitting pretty with your own backup power panel inside your home, all connected seamlessly to your portable generator outside. And with safety in mind, this setup keeps you protected from toxic generator exhaust. Now, what's in the box? Well, you're getting a 6-circuit power panel, a 30A outdoor power cord inlet box, an MPVC conduit, fittings, PVC cement, a 12-inch x 1-inch flathead drill, and all the mounting accessories you need. It's a comprehensive package designed to make installation a breeze. With a total of 6 outlets, you've got plenty of power options at your fingertips. And with 7,500 watts of output, you can keep essential appliances and devices running without a hitch. What's great about this kit is its portability. Need to move your generator? No problem. It's designed to adapt with you, offering flexibility and convenience. Installation is straightforward, especially with all the included components. Plus, the build quality is top-notch. You can tell Reliance Controls put care into designing a reliable, durable product that's going to last. Overall, if you're serious about having a backup power solution that's both efficient and safe, the Reliance Control Corporation WKPBN30 Portable Generator Through-the-Wall Power Transfer Kit is a must-have. Don't wait for the next outage to hit. Be prepared with this essential setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.